Let's see objective of education according to the Kothari Commission. Here is the objective, some objective of education, that is modernization of education, social and national integration, nurture of social, moral, spiritual values, education and productivity, securing and strengthening of democracy. Okay, let's see higher education. Education in post-independence era. After independence in 1948, the central government appointed the University Education Commission, whose chairman was Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. It is main point. Their chairman is Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Its function included financial grants, the standards of the universities and their coordination. Method of functioning. The commission accepted the 5-year plan method. It began to sanction disburse grants to university on the behalf of government. The commission undertake planning of university education, co- coordination of syllabi, that is syllabus, giving primacy to national needs through education, and the planning of implementation for various scheme of higher education. It has done valuable work in establishing university development council, center of advanced studies for postgraduate education, establishing new university. After the advanced television in India, it initiated the countrywide classroom program, which is telecast by Doordarshan on the behalf of Commission. In education in post-independence era, university education was appointed by chairmanship Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan when in 1948. Okay, and that university grants the commission, that is UGC, was established by an act of parliament in 1956 में. वहाँ पे क्या होता है 1956 में वो एक्ट एस्टेब्लिश हुआ था. इट इज़ एन अपेक्स एकेडमिक बॉडी दैट coordinate higher education and distributes grants to university and colleges. Okay, the UGC undertake planning of university education, coordination of syllabi, that is syllabus, giving priority to national need. Okay, through the education जो national need के थे उन पे वहाँ पे क्या हुआ priority दी गई थी. The planning and the implementation of various scheme of higher education. It set up the University Development Council centers for advancing studies for post graduation and establishing new university. Let's see National Council of Education. That is, you heard about that. This body was established in Delhi on the 1st September 1961. Its main objective is help the central government in the matter of school education in the context of comprehensive policy and in implementing educational scheme. The NCERT was given to the responsibility of educational research development, training, extension, educational program, restructuring of school curriculum and textbooks. It has played a central role in designing school curricula and textbooks with cooperation of the Central Board of Secondary Education, that is CBSE. It provides the guidance and cooperation in area primary and secondary education to the state government. It has been involved in designing workbooks, handbooks for teachers, in teacher training, in develop teaching learning techniques, and conducting talent search examination at the national level. SCERT were established in all states on the lines of NCERT. In SCERT means Maharashtra State Council of Educational Research and Training was established in Pune. This institute performs various functions such as improving the standard of primary education, in service training of teachers, training in the areas of syllabi, evolution, vocational guidance for students after standard 10th and standard 12 of exam, and after other educational function. This institute is known as the academic authority. It brings out the periodical called Jivan Shikshan. Okay, in NCERT, it was established in 1961 in Delhi. Its main objective is to help the central government in preparing comprehensive policy and implementing educational SIM. Okay, its main objective, and it also give it NCRT was given the responsibility. Which is responsibility? That is educational research and development, training extension, educational training extension, educational programs, restructuring of school curriculum and textbooks. He also played a central role designing the school's curricula and textbook. Okay, uh, which central he also play a central role for designing the school curriculum and textbooks with the cooperation of the CBSE. Okay, NCRT provides the guidance to state government era of primary secondary education. It designs workbook of teachers, teacher training, developing teacher learning techniques and conducting the national talents. Okay, SCRT were established in all states. SCRT means State Council of Educational Research Training. Okay, let's see National Policy on Educational 1996. नेशनल पॉलिसी देखने से पहले महाराष्ट्र स्टेट काउंसिल ऑफ एजुकेशन इनके बारे में बताती हूँ आपको. इट वॉज एस्टेब्लिश्ड इन पुणे एंड इट वर्क्स फॉर इम्प्रूविंग आवर स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ प्राइमरी एजुकेशन in service of training teachers, training syllabus, evaluation, vocational guidance for students, and also he brings about the periodical that is called Jeevan Shikshan. Okay, let's see national policy on education in 1986. According to this policy, certain changes of fundamental nature were brought about in primary, secondary, and higher secondary education in keeping with the changing needs of society. Under this policy, a common core curriculum was framed for all states. This expectation is that by this means, all students in India will get equal educational opportunity. There is a scope in national curriculum for individual states to bring in flexibility in accordance with their culture, geographical, and historical needs. The primary education curriculum 1988 was prepared on the basis of plan of action designed to at the national level for the effective implementation of the national policy on educational 1986. National policy क्या थी? Education in 1986. It brought about the fundamental change in primary. उन्होंने क्या किया? वहाँ पे changes आए, fundamental changes थे primary और secondary और higher secondary education के लिए. And common curriculum was framed for all state. Okay, common एक ही curriculum था. There is a flexibility in national curriculum for individual states. Okay, and it accepted that all students should get equal opportunity in education. For that, primary education curriculum 1988 was prepared on the basis of national policy on educational 1988. Okay. Next, see use of satellite. In 1975, India made with the success in its attempt to use satellite for the purpose of educational. Eknath Chitnis, a scientist with ISRO, played an important role in it. SITE, that is Satellite Instruction Television Experiment, was undertaken for the educational purpose under the leadership of Space Application Center, Ahmedabad. The concept of satellite educational came out of this experiment. America had helped India in this program. The program helped to make provision for a good standard of education in rural areas. Satellite for education में क्या हुआ था? There is a use of satellite for what? For education, and was made in 1975 with the help of Eknath Chitnis. He is the scientist of ISRO. Okay, SITE, that is Satellite Instructional Television Experiment, that is SITE, was undertaken under the leadership of Space Application Center at Ahmedabad में. Okay, and the concept of satellite education helped to improve the standard of education in rural areas. Okay, In next video, we see Indira Gandhi National Opens University. Okay, thank you.